Adani.
No.
Adani.
Adani is an idiot. Huh? I don't know what is wrong with that. Adani. Subu Okaro. Subu. Now, is she dead? Yeah? Is Adani dead? She's an idiot. That sister of yours is too greedy. I don't know. Are you sure two of you came up from the same womb? Because you are calm and blessed child. But Adani, no, idiot. She's an idiot.
Ọ ga-adịla anyị na mma. Ọ ga-adịla anyị na mma. Ọ ga-adịkwala anyị na mma.
Adaobi.
You came to the shrine to see me.
You are barely at home. So yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
So tell me, the shrine work. How has it been since your mother passed it on to you?
It has not been easy, but I think it's worth it. Sometimes my head feels so heavy. It feels so heavy, like I'm carrying something that no one else can see.
Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Adaobi, difficult battles are given to strong warriors. I believe in you, and I know you can handle all of this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Because you're always with the gods, I do not know when to visit you again.
Let me be the one to visit, because I would not want the gods to be disturbed. But if you need anything from the gods, do not fail to visit.
Of course, I will. I will come to you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have to go now.
Thank you for coming. May the gods protect you. May they lead you. And may they guide you.
So your sister is now a priestess?
Yes, she is.
How good is she?
She's supposed to be good because she spent all her time with my mother in the shrine while she was alive. If she's not good enough, then it's going to be a very big shame.
Oh, that's impressive.
I wish her well, because I don't have any business in that shrine.
I know that. Wow.
Every time she has chalk under her eyes, talking to spirits.
But that's a good thing.
So you look at me, a young, beautiful maiden like me, I should be resting in the shrine with spirits.
But it's a good thing.
Forbid.
May the land be soft and produce you good seeds.
May
your harvest shame your enemies and feed 10 homes. Nothing shall happen to your harvest. This I pray, and so shall it be.
Thank you, thou daughter of Nengele. I appreciate you. Come with me. I have something for you. Let's go.
Adobe.
You came home really heavy today.
Yes. People brought them for Thanksgiving.
All this. Plus the goats.
Yes.
Hey!
Greetings, Adobe.
Another goat!
Greetings.
What do you mean? What is that? Every time you want to rush it. This is we're talking about priestess state, not
It's okay.
What? Are you mad? You're fighting my own goat, idiot! Adobe, my father said I should bring this goat. Yes, he said the herbs we prepared for him worked very well. This is thank you. Yes.
Thanks to the gods. Tell him that I'm grateful.
It's alright.
Please help me tie behind.
It's alright. Let me go.
Yes, behind the hut.
Behind the hut.
Thank you.
Where will I tie it?
Tie it behind the hut.
Behind.
Wait, Adobe. So you're actually getting gifts now?
When you serve the spirit, blessings come.
Let me help you with this.
Of course.
Hey. Let me go.
Feel well.
Thank
you.
You are giving it to your sister to tie this one. I should be the one. Give me.
Uzonna, don't worry. Uzonna, don't worry about it. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
My regards to him.
It's alright. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Maybe one of these days I will come so you prepare my own. Hey.
What were you expecting? She's a priestess, so people will always bring things to her. Meal, mwakoko, everything they will bring to her. Just give her small time, and she'll become one of the most powerful women in this kingdom. Yes, now. Are they surprised? Let me even ask you, Adani. Did she show more interest in the things of the shrine than you?
Why are you asking me this? You know she obviously did. She even said my mother blessed her and gave her the staff of authority before she died.
Now your sister Jevegon. Your sister is truly blessed too. No wonder her name is everywhere. Everywhere you go, people mention her name. It's like Ndengere has just one daughter.
Tofiakwa, why would you even say that?
But it's obvious now. They mention her name everywhere you go to, at the stream, the markets, even on their way to the farm, even on their mad people. They all know your sister. Nobody knows you at all. After they mention your mother's name, Adobe, instead of you, Adan. Here. See, Adan, let me tell you something. You are the first daughter. I mean, the womb opener of Nengene. Nyangi, koji we me papa unwe. Mbogenwa. You see Ibuzo wefta. So, after your mother's name is mentioned, your name should follow. Not give Adan, not your sister Adobe. Do you know the meaning of your name? Adan, that's the daughter of the land. Adobe is just Tunwa Obi. You know what is Obi? Your father's hut. That's where she belongs, not this land. You should be getting the praises. Everybody should know you as the first daughter of Nengene. Yeah, you are tall. So when you come out, they should, what are there? So I don't know what you are doing here. You just Nolana Chikuwapa. Why is your face like this? I think I'm making a point. Eh?
Adobe, you have been a blessing to many. I am my family. This is my little gift for you, my appreciation.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And may the gods bless you more than you've given.
You say thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Adani, you're welcome.
Again. Thank you.
She brought all these gifts for you?
Yes, she did.
All of this?
Yes, she brought them for me.
Just to thank you for healing her son?
Yes.
Gods of our land. These are very expensive. She must have traveled really far just to buy this.
Yes. They are so beautiful. Listen, you can take anyone you like. I know how much you love to look good. Anyone at all you can have.
No. No way. No. I won't just sit and watch my younger sister take away everything while I fade away. No. She keeps shining while I fade away like the morning dew hit by early morning sun. No. Adani, you cannot. You cannot sit back and watch her take all the praises, all the gifts, all the adoration goes to her. What of you? On a second thought, I'm supposed to be the priestess because I'm the eldest. I came out first. Why would I let my younger sister shine? I've been stupid for such a long time. That is in the past now. I am part of the Nengenes family. I must take what rightfully belongs to me. I will be the one to receive all the gifts and all the praises. I have it all. I am pretty. The powerful river goddess, I come to you with pains in my heart. I am not happy. My spirit is troubled. My sister has been getting so much gifts from people in the community. They honor and praise her. We are from the same womb. I'm the older sister. Yet no one honors me. No one respects me the way they respect her. I am in pains. Biko, I have come to you with a free will sacrifice. And I asked for help. I need powers. I need powers to do what my sister has been doing, or even do more than she has done already. I want to heal people in the land. I just need powers to do what she has been doing, or even do more than what she's doing. Biko, help your child. Show your face to me. Please. And I promise you, I will do whatever you ask of me.
Bikonu, just come out of the waters and answer me. For I won't live here without getting the powers I seek.
Daughter of the soil, you have summoned me with envy, not purity. That path you are about to take comes at a price. Power given through spite drowns the soul.
Whatever the price is, I promise you I will pay. I do not care if the power will drown me. I am ready. Drown me in your powers. I want to have powers. I want to do what Adobe has been doing for the people. And I swear by you, whatever the condition is, I will do it. I promise I will do it.
I have given you the powers to command and make things happen. Use it carefully, or it will destroy you. Come back to me in full moon, or I will destroy you.
My goddess, thank you so much. I promise I will come back in full moon. I will even come back before the full moon. I will honor you. Thank you, Ini. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ini. Thank you so much.
Adani, what is it? I don't understand. Have you become a priestess?
Not just a priestess, but a very, very powerful priestess. In fact, the most powerful to ever come across the surface of the earth. And even more.
But this is not you. I mean, you were never drawn to shrine things. Talk to me, what happened?
What happened to me is that I now possess powers. Powers to heal. Powers to cast a spell. Powers to inflict pain. Powers to inflict pain upon stubborn people and to cause them madness if they go against my wish. The spirits have favored me. They have made me the most powerful priestess to ever cross the surface of the earth. I expect you to accord me the same respect you have given my sister all this while. Failure to do so will land you in trouble. Plus, you are obliged to spread the good news across the community. Tell the people that I, Adani, is back. Not just as Adani, but as the most powerful priestess. And they must bow and yield to my commands. All hail the latest pieces of the great kingdom.
Adani.
Priestess Adani.
What are you wearing?
As you can see, dear sister, the spirits have found pleasure in me and they decided to bless me. I am now a priestess. So that means I can do whatever it is that you think you've been doing.
How? You never showed interest. You were never interested about the things of the shrine. So how come you...
Just don't stress it. I have powers too. I even have greater powers. I possess all the same powers that you have. So as from now on, you will address me as Priestess Adani.
What did you hear?
The vigilante is Ini Edo. They said Adani is now a priestess, like her sister Dobi.
I'm telling you, what are you saying?
That's what I heard.
Adani?
Yes!
The Adani I know. The only lady that always mock the duties of the shrine.
Forget about that idiot. Hey, I'm telling you.
This is strange.
It's strange indeed. I'm telling you because I don't understand what is going on. Power now enters where no preparation existed. I'm telling you. And I don't know. I wonder how.
Or is something entering her body?
Something like
power.
That girl is an idiot. She's very greedy. So that day, I went to give her sister gold that my father said I should give to her. If you see the way she was so excited, hey, God! As if she has not seen gold before. And then I changed it for her. I'm telling you, that girl is an idiot.
This is sounding so strange to me.
So strange to you? It's not strange. And then it's an idiot. Let's go. Like I forever. If that girl crosses my way, bear can she? Okay. I'm telling you, she's not a priestess. Priestess, and probably your own priestess. What? Because
meanwhile, you need to avoid her.
You
need to avoid her. Who's on now?
Now.
Sorry. Please. Sorry. We'll soon get it. Sorry.
Woman, are you headed to the shrine with your son?
Yes, I am. My son is sick, and I want to go there and meet your sister.
Have you not heard that I now am a priestess? And I have the powers to heal any sickness.
You? When? I have not heard.
Now you know. I will heal your son. Come with me.
Okay.
Adani, I heard you have become a priestess. When did this happen? I thought your sister have taken this position.
And who says that this kingdom cannot have more than one priestess? Do I have to remind you, Achala? I am also a daughter of the great priestess, Nengene. So I have it in me. I can be a priestess whenever I want. Here we go. I'm the latest priestess of the land.
Okay, I've heard you. Can I go now?
Achala, I am giving you the honor to be the first man of this kingdom to visit the great priestess Adani in her hut.
If I may ask, what for? If there's anything you want to discuss, do it here. I have no time.
See you in my heart.
Why does she sound so commanding? She has always been like that.
May the spirits clean you. May your soul be light up. May all your paths be light up. And may your bad dreams be cleared away. It is done.
Thank you.
You are free.
Thank you, my priestess.
You can go home now.
Thank you very much.
And there will be no bad dreams anymore.
Thank you, my priestess. I'll see you again. Thank you.
How dare you go to my sister's shrine for healing when you know I'm a priestess?
Your sister is the true priestess. We've all known that.
Are you saying I'm not a true priestess?
For now, I don't know what to believe. Let's see how things work.
You're my best friend. You're supposed to support me. I have powers. I can heal any sickness. When you're sick, when you have issues, come to me. If you want to attack anybody, come to me. I have powers.
Don't you ever yell at me. This should be the last time you ever confront me like this. Are you alright? I go where my heart chooses. And your mother's shrine is where I chose to go.
I can see you have no respect. I can see you have no fear for people that possess immortal powers. I would deal with you. Because you dare speak to me in that tone. You dare exchange words with me, you mere mortal. I will inflict pain on you. I will make you regret the day you ever was born.
What have you done to me? Somebody help me! What? Somebody help me! What have you done to me?
Go to her so she can save you. Betrayer!
Somebody help! Adani, what have you done to me, Adani? Adani! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My leg! You mean my sister did this to you? Yes. What did you do to her? I didn't do anything to her, just help me. It's okay, relax. I will help you. See, Adani, what sort of madness has come over you?
Mind how you talk to me, Adobe.
What did you do to Egona? What did she do to you?
It is none of your business.
It is my business. Before mother died, she asked me to take care of everything. And as the princess of this kingdom, it is my duty to take care of the people and protect them. You just woke up one day and call yourself a priestess, just to torment people. What did she do to you?
Whatever I do to her, it is none of your business. She went against my will. That mortal disobeyed me. The fire burning in her leg will continue to burn until she learns her lessons. And no one, not even you, will treat it.
By the gods, I have treated her. But don't you ever try this nonsense again.
Is that a threat or a warning? You would do no such thing, Adobe.
You are saying that she inflicted her friend with a burning leg, all because she didn't go to her for cleansing?
You can imagine, Achala. I do not understand how she became so wicked. I am still wondering, where did she get her powers from? She was never around the shrine when my mother was alive. So how come? Where did she get the powers?
She asked me to come see her in your compound. I have to go and hear what she has to say. Or do you think I shouldn't go?
No. Go. You need to go find out what she has to say.
Alright. I will go. And I will get back to you when I get back.
Alright.
So, what about Egona?
She's getting better.
Oh. That's good to hear. I have to go and see your sister now.
Go well.
Adani, the priestess, I greet you.
Greetings, woman.
Greetings.
How is your son?
My son is fine. I was planning on coming to your hut, but I have just 2 tubers of yam at home, so I want to rush to my farm and get more so that I can come and thank you with it.
So you want to honor me, the great priestess who healed your son with just yams? I remember vividly you came to my hut to honor my sister with expensive gifts. You brought yams, goats, and even jewelries to honor her. And then you want to honor me, the greatest priestess ever lived on this earth, with just yams. Have you lost your mind?
That's all I have. And that's all I'm given.
You have 3 days. Just 3 days to come back to my hut and honor me with a goat. Failure to do so will land your son madness.
Why? Do you want to make my son mad? Why? What has he done to you? I gave you all I have. That's all I have. Why do you want to punish the poor because they do not have money?
3 days is what you have, woman. If I wait and not receive the goat I have demanded for, he will run mad.
Adani!
And that is final. Out of my way.
Adani! Hey! Where do I get a goat from? Where do I get a goat from? Hey.
Ichobika! Ichobika! Ichobika!
Oh, yeah.
Ichobika, please come. Please, I need your help. I need your help. I urgently need a goat. Adani said if I do not give her a goat, she will make my son go mad.
Machi, why are you taking this maiden so serious? Go home till you find a goat that you will give to her. Eh? Just go home.
No, I cannot. No, you can't. You don't know that for sure. That woman sounded very serious. I don't think she's joking. Please, help me.
Machi, see, that is how she will make you to be so serious and be afraid of her. Eh? So that you can act very fast.
Hey.
See, I will find you a goat within the next 7 days.
Hey.
But you need to go home and calm down. See, I find you one. Huh? Wait, oh, by the way, when did she even become a priestess?
Oh, I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
And why did you even go to her?
Hey.
Why? See, you have Adobe, a very pure-hearted maiden of this land. Very beautiful. And you choose to go to someone who declared herself a priestess overnight. Eh? In fact, go home till I find you something. Oh,
Hey.
Just go.
Hey.
She cannot do you anything. She cannot do your son anything. Believe me.
Ichobika, this does not sound good at all.
I said she will not do you any harm. Go home.
Hey.
I will find you a goat.
How did I get into this trouble? Hey.
Go. I will find you. Hey. Adane. Adane. Hey.
Sit.
What do you want to tell me?
I'll go straight to the point and not beat around the bush. I want us to be friends. Very close friends.
For your information, we are friends and we are in good times. But I'm close to your sister, Adobe. She's my closest friend.
There you go again. That is not it. You know what? This is what I want. I want you to be the man in my life.
Since when do women chase after men?
I am not chasing you. Women like me do not chase. We go for what we want. I'm just telling you what I want. This is it. I want to be with you. And you are supposed to be with me. Because I want to be with you.
I am not available. Your sister Adobe is the only woman I care about. If you have any other thing to say it before I leave.
I want you. I need you. And I must have you tonight in my heart.
By the time the whole thing that is in my mind begin to come out. You understand? Now, Achala. Okay.
What did you say?
No. I was just saying that you will look so handsome when you die. I was just talking about something that will benefit us. Something that has been in me, inside of me. By the time the thing comes out, you benefit even more than me, and you are whooping. What is it? What is bothering you?
Something serious is bothering me. Adani, the sister to Adobe.
Remember, you don't need to begin to explain to me. I know Adani, yes. What happened to Adani? Is she dead?
No, there is something she told me that I can't even open my mouth to tell Adobe. Something very shameful.
There's something she told you that is very shameful.
Yes.
What could that be? What did she say?
Adani told me that she wants me to be her man. Yes, she wants me in her life. She needs me. But I refused her. I told her my heart already belongs to Adobe, her sister.
Are you serious? Let me understand. Adani. Hey, this is serious.
This is not a laughing matter.
I'm not laughing. Hi, even now I jelly was. Even now I jelly was new. Even now I jelly was. It is not. So I'm telling you, it's not that. It is not a laughing matter. I know it's not a laughing matter, but it's a very serious thing. Let me understand. Adani want to not even like her man, just as her man, knowing fully well that her sister Adobe is your woman, and then you are here telling me that it is not something that you can tell her sister Adobe.
Honestly, this sounds so shameful.
Oh, shameful.
Wow.
Okay.
I don't even know how to say this to Adobe. I think there is something wrong with Adani. There is a dark change around her. Something very extraordinary. I know she used to be crazy, but this time around, I think she's under the influence of something very serious.
You see, this is not about something very serious. She's something very serious itself. I'm telling you. Tell her now. Tell Adobe now before that idiot that call herself Adani begins to cause havoc. I'm telling you. Tell Adobe now. Tell her now before she finds out. Because at the end of the day, if she finds out, you will begin to say, don't worry, I can explain. It is not what you think. I'm telling you. Tell her now. I know what I'm saying. Don't say it is shameful. I don't even know how to say it. It is shameful to the tell her now to avoid it is
What is the meaning of this? What is it? Why are you crying? What is this?
I can explain. It is not what you think.
Explain what? Why are you crying?
Ajala, just look at me. Look at me very well.
I'm looking at you.
You're not looking at me very well. Look at me very well. Am I that ugly? Am I that ugly? Am I that ugly?
You're ugly like this now.
I'm ugly like this. Okay. What? In this community, in this kingdom, it is only you. I don't want Ajala to be a man. I don't want Ajala. If it is not you, they will demand for another person. Why not me? If we share it, you are not me. Adane. Is it not what you have that I have? The money, to go. Ebu mamu. Abamu kibamu kamu. Ike goniche. Iwe kise mi adiche. Can you just stop? Stop it. I cannot stop. Yeah.
Obina, what is happening to you? Obina, what is happening to you? This is your handiwork. Hey, you said you were going to make my son mad. You have finally made him mad. Somebody help me. Hey, Obina, please now. Obina, please now. It's your mother. Hey, Obina. Adani!
What is wrong with you? Have you lost your sense of reasoning? You have no empathy. What has come over you?
Why are you shouting in my heart?
Huh? What do you mean by why am I shouting in your heart? Why did you make that boy mad? Why?
Oh, so she came to report me to you. What a pity. I asked her to reward me with a goat after I healed her son from his madness. What did she do? She disobeyed me.
What sort of princess are you? Do you help people to dictate to them how they should reward you? People can only give what they have or what their spirits move them to give. You can only demand for a specific item if it's for a ritual or sacred.
That is for you and not me. Adobe, I do not want to be like you. I am not you. I do not wish to act like you. I have my ways. My powers are different from yours. Whatever I choose to do with it has nothing to do with you.
And you had the heart to curse that innocent boy with madness. You are no priestess. You were never chosen by the gods. You are just hiding behind your filthy, wicked power.
Say that to me and I will burn you and this kingdom into ashes.
I dare you. I double dare you, Adani. You are no priestess. You were never chosen by the gods. You are hiding behind filthy, wicked powers. End your cruelty against the people of this kingdom. Mother never made anyone mad when she was alive. And by the gods, I am going to heal that boy. But don't you ever try this nonsense again.
Heal him and I will continue to make him mad until he joins his ancestors.
Dare me,
Do
Adan.
not push me, Adobe.
Dare me, Adan.
Dare me! Do not push me, Adobe! Dare me! I pardon you because you're my blood! I swear by the gods I will not pardon you next time.
He will be fine.
Obina. Obim.
Hey! Ewo! Ewo!
Obim. Hey, Obim.
Mother, what am I doing here? What happened?
Toby,
Thank you very much for healing my son. My son is back. Thank the gods. I thank the gods for healing my son. Truly, you're the greatest healer. You're a priestess indeed. May the gods bless you. You say, Obina. Hey.
Mother, what happened?
It's a long story. You're a greatest healer and a priestess. Indeed. May the gods bless you. Take him home. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Here's the goat you asked for.
I thought you wouldn't bring the goats to me. Like that son of yours who continue to run mad until he joins his rejected ancestors. You all treat my sister with so much reverence. Yet you can't even pay a single out of respect to me for all the things I do for you in this community. Take the goat to the back of my hut and tie it there.
I do not know how this will sound to you. I don't want to lie about what your sister told me. She asked me to be her man. Yes. I also heard that she struck a boy with madness and her friend Egonna with a burning leg. Adobe, I hope she does not do anything to me, because with the way she is acting now, no one knows what her powers can do.
Is that fear that I see in you? Atala, do not worry. She cannot harm you. The gods will always protect you.
But Adobe, your sister Adani is acting so different. I have never seen her with so much powers. She's acting so fearless and unbothered. I even think we are at her mercy.
Like I said, Achala, you have nothing to worry about. You have to be brave. Aren't you a hunter anymore?
Of course I am.
Do not let her scare you. Keep turning her down until she gets tired and leave you alone.
Adani is turning to something else we did not expect. She's no longer the maiden we used to know. Look, if we are not careful, the way she's using her powers will ruin our lives.
Exactly. Exactly my point. If the whole thing continues like this, we need to put an end to it before it's too late.
Now, tell me, why can't she be like her sister or her late mother? Why?
Jideofo.
Yes.
Don't worry. Oh? I say don't worry. A lion might be the king of the jungle.
Yes.
But if it forgets its place, it becomes a prey to other animals. No. But we must show her a lion. Oh, we will show her a lion.
We have to go and visit her. and warn her about her cruelty. Tell me, why would she make a little boy mad, all in the name of that the boy's mother refused to offer her a goat? Why? She's wicked. She's heartless.
I know.
She's callous.
Beautiful. You can imagine that nonsense, that arrant nonsense, that rubbish. Eh? She is just nothing but a savage custom. Fabric. In fact,
look, we have to visit her.
We will.
And caution her.
We will.
She's wicked.
Very, very.
You dare disobey me.
Dan.
After several warnings,
Dan.
you still went against my will. I will make you feel pain.
Please.
Shut up.
What kind of dream is this?
No. My chest. Help me. Somebody help. My chest. What is happening? My chest. My chest is burning. What happened? My chest is burning. My chest is burning. Who is that? Adobe. Who is burning? Who is burning? I don't know. Who is breaking your heart? Let me know now. Papa. What is that? Are you serious? What was serious? Achala. My chest. You have to talk to me. What is my chest? My chest. Who broke your chest? Who hit your chest? Go to the shrine. Shrine? Go to the shrine. My case. Let me know what happened. Is it Adan? What did she do to you? Did she force you to swim the water? Sorry. Go. Go. I know it cannot be Adobe. His chest. The sharpest chest.
What is it?
You are the original priestess. He has been shouting, my chest. I don't know who broke his chest. I've been asking him, who hit your chest? What did he hit? I shall be shouting, yeah, my chest. That is what I mean. Who?
Your sister.
Relax. It is too much, Adobe. It is from birth. Oh my God, man.
Achala,
it's relaxed now.
Calm down and tell me everything. What happened?
What happened, Achala?
Your sister.
Adane. Yeah? I said it! That Okaro! Adane is an idiot! What did she do? Did she force you to swim the woman in her? Eh?
She struck me in my dream.
Dreams?
Yeah.
What's the dreams? Can you imagine dreams? Nah. About the man, dreams!
Adane!
No.
Adane!
Adane is an idiot. I don't know what is wrong with that. Adane. Subu Okaro. Subu. Is she dead? Yeah? Is Adane dead? She's an idiot. That sister of yours is too greedy. I don't know. Are you sure two of you came up from the same womb? Because you are calm and blessed. But Adane, no, idiot. She's an idiot.
We came here first because we believe it is right to come and see you. We have decided to come to see you before we go and see your sister. The things she's doing, we are sick and tired of her wickedness, cruelty, because she's heartless. The evil spirit she calls upon, we have decided we will not take it anymore. Enough is enough.
Adobe, we need you to do something about Adane. We cannot take this anymore. Adobe, we need you to do something about Adane. If you cannot, then she must leave this community. We cannot continue to live like this. But no.
I understand your plight, my elders, and I will do something about it.
Thank you.
But you cannot ask me to cast her out.
No!
Not yet.
No! Never! For how How long are we going to wait for her? Let me express my anger. For how long? We are sick and tired of the evil things she's doing in this great kingdom. Will not take it. Let me express my fury. Look, your mother did not treat us the way she's treating us. If not, we would have been wiped out by now. Talk to her. Will not take it. Enough is enough.
Biko, Adobe. Biko. I know how kind you are, how good you are, and what you can do. The wickedness from your sister is just too much.
Too much?
That she has so poisoned this land. Poison it that the madness is not too much. Today, goat. Tomorrow, yam. Next tomorrow, okuko. Please, even when the people don't have it, she will strike them with one illness or the other. Please, please.
I understand, my elders. Please be patient. I will try my best to stop her. You have to trust me.
Please. You have to do something quickly.
Thank you. Thank you.
Osinachi, Ikemo Osinachi. Osinachi, Ikemo Osinachi. Osinachi, Ikemo Osinachi. Osinachi, Ikemo Osinachi.
Fool! You dare go against my will. I asked you nicely to fill my pots with water, and then you dare go against my will. I would deal with you. You have the guts to look at me in the face and disobey me. Why?
Because you're a nobody. Yes. I won't run errands for you. Do you understand? So you can do whatever you want to do. Now listen and listen carefully. This should be the last time. The very last time you ever stop me on the way with this your filthy, rubbish powers. Your sister is the chosen one. So it's high time you accept that you are useless. Yes, you're useless.
I feel bad for you, child. But today is your last day. I have pulled your rope for too long. Today marks your end.
Adami, what have you done to her?
I just took her life. I've had enough of her nonsense.
You do not give life. What makes you think you have the right to take it?
I give life. I take life at my will. I have taken hers, and you will do nothing about that.
Daughter of the soil. What did I tell you about the full moon?
Hey, you're the water goddess. I'm so sorry, I forgot.
Give me your hands.
I will come the next full moon, I promise.
Adani, your hands!
Hey, just calm down.
Your hands!
Hey, just calm down, please. You're embarrassing me before my sister. I will come, I promise.
Your hands!
The water goddess, please. All I'm asking for is just one chance, one last chance. And I promise you, when it's the next full moon, I will come and do the sacrifice. I forgot. I only forgot. I am human. I'm not immortal like you. Biko, no. Just one chance. I will come back the next full moon. I swear.
You have been stripped of your powers, Adani. Even though I've decided to spare your life, but yield to this warning. Never you come close to this river anymore. Never you come close to Iyaja River. Never you step your foot into this water. If you do, you will be destroyed by the same river that once gave you powers. Now leave! Leave!
Just one chance.
Leave!
Biko, no, one chance, please.
Thank the gods you're awake. My sister tried to take your life. Thank you, Adobe. Thank you very much. I really owe you. I owe you so much. But there is something I want to confess to you. What is it? I think my words might have pushed Adani into the strange path she took. One day, I told her that the villagers sing your praises when she's the first daughter and nobody notices her. I told her that when Nengene's name is mentioned, yours comes next. I told her she will be forgotten. 2 days later, I saw she already become a priestess. A wicked one at that. Now I see my words pushed her into seeking the strange power she has now. I'm sorry. Again, now you don't have to be hard on yourself. Stop crying. Adani is not a child. You don't have to blame yourself for her actions. If she was different, your word. Yes, I mean your word would not have led her to the wrong path. I have always known Adana to be a very stubborn child. I also remember she strongly kicked against the things of the shrine. You remember when my mother was still alive?
Adobe, why do you have chalk on your legs and your hand?
Adani, our mother is the priestess of this kingdom. Yet you act like you do not understand these things.
Wait, Kelly, just wait. So you mean to tell me that a young maiden like you finds pleasure in applying all these things on your skin? You went to mother's shrine to go and apply this chalk on your skin?
Yes.
And you're happy?
I went to supply her herbs. And yes, I applied chalk on my skin. And they are not for decoration. You should know it. You should know.
I do not know. And I do not want to know. All I know is I'm a young maiden. And I'm supposed to act as such.
And you should also know that we are both daughters of Nengene.
Then be her daughter while I be myself.
And when the gods ask for you, what will you say?
I will tell the gods that I am not interested. Besides, they can take the one that has the chalk on her hands and her legs.
You're funny, Adani. But it won't always be funny.
When the time comes, we are going to know. For now, I have a dance festival. I'm preparing for it.
That's the only thing you know.
I'm choosing
how
my
to do.
beats.
That's all you know how to do. Anyways, Mama said if you are done with your chores, you should come to the shrine.
I should come to the shrine?
Yes.
Why?
I do not know. When you get there, you find out.
You're already going to the shrine. Why am I supposed to go to the shrine too?
Yourself. Shrine.
Nne! Where is she? Nne!
You have remembered you have a mother. Adobe say you sent for me. Don't pretend that you did not hear when I called.
Nne, I was busy in the house. I've done all the chores at home. I cleaned, I swept, I've cooked. I had to take my bath before coming here so I don't smell before the gods.
Odogunwa, you swept, you cleaned, you gave. Adane. Get me this calabash. Come on, keep that thing back. Get me this calabash inside.
Which one is calabash? Oh,
Take it easy. Take it easy. There is a calabash there that carries people's life. So if I leave you, you know you can control me.
Then do not leave me here. I do not want to be here. Why are you leaving me where I don't want to be?
Sit down.
The calabash that you have there, choose.
Adan, what did this shrine do to you? Why are you afraid of this place?
I am not afraid of the shrine. I just don't like being in this shrine. The wind that blows here and the shrine, it irritates me. I don't want to be in the shrine.
You don't want to be in the shrine. The shrine that protects you. The shrine that is covering you everywhere you go. The shrine that covered you even when you were in the womb.
Are you not a worker of the gods? Do you not work for the gods? Are they not supposed to protect your child?
Shut up your mouth and sit down. Sit down. Before you go off, you go inside. Take this. Naramiya officer. I want you to start pounding this thing. Stop! What is your problem?
You said you pound it.
Did I say you should fight with it? See, stop it! Adan, what is your problem? Why are you like this? What is your problem? Just look at where you are using to pound. Look at. Why are you doing this? Please, I want you to pound it slowly. Pound it as if you're singing for a little baby about to sleep. Please. Stop it! Are you fighting with the gods? Why are you doing this? Are you fighting with the spirit?
I'm not fighting with them. I'm pounding. You said I should pound. I'm pounding.
I did not say you should fight with them. I say slowly. When I'm talking, you listen.
Adan, why are you looking so sad? Did you have a fight with the gods at your mother's shrine?
Not yet. But I will fight with them any moment from now.
Then keep running, because you run beautifully.
You talk too much for a hunter, child.
Really? Anyways, I am sorry about that. I was just trying to cheer you up. Meanwhile, how is the sister?
She's fine. She's at home.
Oh, I see. Is she going to attend the dance festival tomorrow at the village square?
So you're not going to ask me if I will attend the dance festival?
Well,
it's fine. I'm going to attend the dance festival. See you there tomorrow.
okay.
Ada. So you mean you left the dance to go be with Acham?
Yes. And he told me how you were muttering angrily yesterday from your way to the shrine.
What?
Yes.
He told you that?
Yes, he told me.
Does he tell you everything?
Adani, he tells me everything. Damn, please.
What is going on between you two?
Well, I can't really say, but he said he loves me and he wants more than just friendship.
What did you tell him?
Nothing, I just told him that we need to take things easy. I need to take my time and I need permission from the gods. First.
Well, the gods should be very proud of you. Because you tell them everything and you want them to just be the sole people to decide what you want to do with your life. That's good.
Yes.
As for me, if I want a man, I go for him. I don't care if the gods approve or not. So long as I want him, I go.
Adani, be mindful of your words before you incur the wrath of the gods. What is wrong with you?
Which word? I only said if I like a man, I will go for him. Must the gods tell me to love a man or not?
Adani, it is okay. Be mindful of your words.
You are doing too much. This is your God's issue. You are doing too much.
I've heard you. I want to stop by at Mama's shrine. Are you coming with me?
You know the answer. I'm not coming.
You're so stubborn.
My child,
Mama.
To understand this house, you have to be very, very careful. Leaves speaks. Some whisper, some shout. So you need to listen very, very attentively to hear. There is a man, Icheobika. You know him. He has been poisoned by evil people. How Korea anyway? Utu akokpaya. That man Emma. Utu akokpaya zaraza juebelile.
What do you want to do? What do you want me to do, Mama?
My dear, you will take these herbs to his house. This is your first test. Let me see how far you have gone. If you get there, use these leaves the way I've taught you.
Okay, Mama.
I want you to use it. Massage the leg. Keep massaging. Inner massage here. Itinye you biggie. Make sure you put your spirit focus, concentrate in what you are doing. Ina robia, ina massage. While doing that, do as if you're speaking in your mind. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Mama.
Ina massage. Focus. Ina massage. Ina press here. Gently, gently. Ina press here. Ina massage. Ina dozia. Ina kubi uku ni bigi. Ina mea like that. Easy. Why you focus. You put your spirit.
Oh. 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 Mm. 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 Ah. 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 Oh. Yeah. Ah. Oh.
Oh, Malicha. Look at me. I'm the most beautiful maiden to ever cross the surface of this earth. No mortal born by a man or a woman can withstand my beauty. Even the gods take permission from me to bless any other maiden in this community. Look at how I'm dressed. Look at my color combination. Look at my... Hey, oh Malicha. When I step out, all the men in this kingdom will be bowing to my feet. Achala, I feel really bad for him. Because how can he be able to not notice me? I mean, look at how far I'm willing to go just for him to notice me. But I'm very sure, with what I have on my head, my beads, and my waist, he must notice me, he must see me. Because why would he choose Adobe over me? Ha! I'm a full package. I have it all. I'm setting out now. I'm setting out to spit glory. I'm setting out to make sure that men tremble when they sight me from a distance. Adani, we move.
Ah, Adane. Adane.
That's my name.
This way you that's it. That's it, dressed like an olaga. Did you watch yourself before coming out? Yeah, that's it. Can you imagine? Look at Adane. Come on, did you look yourself properly before coming out? You look like an olaga, the masquerade. I'm telling you.
You smell.
It's smelling, Gary.
You smell so bad.
It is your dressing that is smelling.
I can see why the God chose to make you a hunter, because you belong to the evil forest with the evil animals in the evil forest.
Let me tell you, when I saw you, I thought it was big Mwada. I wanted to shoot you. But if I had shot you, people will say, yes, because I'm a hunter. Initially, I say, look at this big Mwada coming out from my direction. I wanted to, I'm telling you.
The God in my mother's shrine will punish you.
It isn't that God.
You will die untimely.
It is
You're a very wicked man.
You are dead already.
You see, let me tell you, people like me are not meant to answer peasants, poor people, jobless people like you. But because today is a good day and I spent a lot to look this beautiful, And I'm out to spit glory. I'm out to make sure that the kingdom is blessed. I'm out to cultivate men, not animals like you.
Can look at me, I'm not possible.
Men are all at my feet.
You look like Chi. The shrine itself will not even accept you. If you try to
shut up. What do you know? Do you know how expensive these beats are? Do you know where I got it from?
All this nonsense are just nonsense.
It's not meant for.
Go and look. Just watch your sister. Where's Adobe? Where is she?
I'm not Adobe's keeper. Why are you asking me of Adobe? Can't you see that I'm beautiful? Let me tell you. All of you men that have eyes on Adobe, she belongs to the shrine. I'm the one that you all are supposed to be rushing. Look at me. I am the beauty of the kingdom. If you see me, you should tremble and go on your knees.
You are just trying to be like Adobe. You can never be Adobe.
I will not put chalk on my face.
Adobe is the most beautiful. That's why Shrine accept her. Shrine cannot accept you. I don't even know how. In fact, you are like Oka. Not like you are no cow.
The gods will seize your sight. You wake up tomorrow blind because you refuse to see. How dare you see me and choose Adobe?
All this you are dancing was for me. Okay, you want to seduce me? If you don't leave me,
I'm going for men, for real men. Which men? You animal. Go to the forest and live with the animals. That's where you belong.
You cannot get me. It's not possible.
I don't have your time. I'm going for real men. You are not a real man.
Because you wanted to capture me and I refused. I am too expensive. When you look at me, they call me Uzonna. That's the way. The one was that you get me. You knew I was going to pass through this part. And then you dress like an Olago, thinking that you're beautiful. Idiot! Look at this cow! Oh, bago! You are dangling like it. No, what? Idiot! If not for one thing, I could have shot you terror. And then when people gather, I will tell them it was I thought it was an animal because you look like antelope. You didn't come down. No, cow. You are telling me, Rime, that we are supposed to be rushing you. Rushing Rokwakanya!
There you go, my beautiful friend. I was on my way to your heart. How do I look? Well, you don't have to tell me. Because I know I look extremely beautiful. The beads, the color, I know I look good. Thank you.
Adani, do you know how you look?
I look beautiful. You don't have to hide it. Just say it.
You look like a masquerade. Honestly. What was this look? I mean,
wait. I know you're joking. I know you're joking because you can't tell me I look like a masquerade. Do you know where I got this beat from? This beat, the one on my hand, on my leg, it came all the way from Mama Amankwe Kingdom. And this one on my hair I took from my mother's shrine. Not because I want the God's favor, just because I want to spice up the God's beat with my beauty. I know I look beautiful, you don't have to shout.
You know, I won't lie to you, I won't deceive you. I'm your friend, alright? Do you know how you dressed? You look like madness is knocking at your door. Honestly.
More?
Yes.
Wait. Are you using the same eyes to look at me? Do you know how many compliments I got on my way to this place? Men were running on the floor for me.
Maybe they are mad too.
You look... Please, enough. Do you know how many attempts I had to try before I got this particular look? My beads are expensive. My hand jewelry is expensive. It even has a cowrie on it. Do you know how expensive cowries are these days? See, don't provoke me. You just spoil my mood. I'm going back to my house.
I don't know.
Oh, please don't. Mother. I'm back.
My daughter.
Mama.
How did it go, my daughter?
Mother, he said that my hands are as soft as yours.
That old man. God, even in pains, he cracked jokes. By the gods, he will be fine. You see, he will definitely be fine. You see. Get this, bring the mortar first. Okay, Mama. Come and prepare Mama Maka's own. Okay. Have you seen it? Yes, Mama. If you go now, on a habanye ginaro. Why you? Where they keep the Thank you, Mama. Now this is the Adani I know. You look beautiful.
Ego, thank you so much. You're a good friend. Thank you for not letting me see the man I wanted to see dressed like that. I actually looked horrible.
Cool.
It's fine. It's fine.
Maybe next time you just try and be yourself. You look beautiful. Oh, magic. Oh, magic. Why is your sister happy? Adobe, why are you dancing? Why are you happy?
You will not believe what happened today. Mama asked me to try calling on the gods, and I did. She was so happy. She said I did it so well.
Is that all?
Yes.
Did the gods answer?
No. But she said one day they will.
They might never answer you. I said might.
Nangana.
Ichobika.
Nangana.
Ichobika. What about your leg?
My leg? Healing happened. Nangana. Healing. After your daughter visited me yesterday.
Hey.
I slept. I woke up and felt cold on my leg. And all of a sudden, this sickness, everything disappeared. It was just gone like that, oh.
So fast.
I am really happy.
May the gods be praised.
It's, in fact, I have this for you. Let me take this cowries. Look at it. Just manage it. I will come back. Look at it. It's cowries. Look at it. Look at. Have you seen? I will come back properly. Since I met you on the road now, there's no need for me to go to the shrine again. And I believe you are going somewhere.
Ichobika, go home. Your healing is permanent.
I will come back properly to do better than this.
No problem.
Nangana. Nangana. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see somebody down there.
Adobe. Your hands are blessed.
Atala! Putawa! Kaina, let's just leave here. Go, let's go.
I am coming now.
See, the way I'm seeing this whole thing, it's like all the animals in this bush are holding secret meetings somewhere. Hey, that can't be something like this. Let's go.
I am tired.
You are tired too. Let's go.
I need to go, please. Isonya, I need to go and see my beautiful Mary. Obim.
Hey, I know be right.
Who else? Who else if not her?
Hey, okay. If I don't say let us go now, will you have the space to say let me go and see Obim?
I was about to say it though, but I was thinking maybe you still have the strength.
Which strength? When the whole animal have gone to probably, maybe they have, you know, when there are some people, you will understand their aroma. Once they inhale or perceive an aroma,
you know, animals are very sensitive.
Very sensitive. But so, only one that I see, come back to what you just said about your woman. What is in this Adobe that is making you, anytime you remember Adobe, every part of your body will just be at attention.
Her peace.
Her peace.
She does not try so hard. She is always herself. She is calm. She is so simple.
Only one person.
I am telling you. Not like that, her sister, Adan.
Which Adan?
Adan is the one you know, her sister.
That one is so cow. Adan is an idiot cow.
That maiden.
Yeah. But Chiro. Let me ask you again. You know, let me ask you again. Are you sure it is this Adobe? Are you sure it is her peace, her this and that is making you shake like this? Or her?
Hey! Who's on now? Will you stop this?
Wait, let me ask you. Have you?
Let me
know if you have tell me. I'm your friend.
So if I do it, I will tell you.
If you have swim her river, let me know. Because it is only when one swim somebody's river, a woman's river, that everybody wants to remember the way she.
I will do it when the time is right.
You've not done it?
No.
Let me tell you.
Yeah. She is my everything. Hi. She is everything I have got. I only pray that the gods, these shrine duties of hers, we allow her be with a man. If that happens, if that happens, if the gods, you allow her be with a man, who's on that? Because of our land, Biko.
Love. Look at what love is doing to my friend. Look at what love is doing to Achala. Love is making your head spin. Who's on that? When? When will you love? When will you start sounding like Achala? Who's on that?
With time, maybe Adan might be your middle.
You idiot! Adan, okay, for this thing that you are saying now, we're not going again. Let us go back. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm sorry. No. I am sorry now. I am sorry. Adan. I'm an idiot.
It is only a bed.
Let's go.
Adani! What sort of bad habit is this? Eating and singing. Who taught you that?
Ne, what is wrong with me eating and singing?
Must you do both at the same time? Can't you wait? After eating, you can sing.
I choose to.
You choose to? That is all you know how to do. Come to the shrine. You will not come.
Yeah.
You only sit back here and eat and eat and eat.
What am I coming to the shrine to do? Let me stay back home, do the chores and do the things of humans, while you do the things of the spirit.
Adani, are you stupid? Don't talk to me like that. So, that is the reason you sit back at home to eat. Come to the shrine, you will not come. Because Adobe is there.
I'm only saying face the spirit, let me face the human.
I will shut that your mouth for you. I will shut it for you. What kind of nonsense is this?
Me. All I said is face the spirit. I will face humans.
Look at... Shut up your mouth!
Enough for one thing, eh? Enough for one thing now.
If not for what?
Come back here! Adani! Adani! What is all this nonsense? Because Adobe is with me. You choose to stay back and eat and eat. You will not allow me to keep foodstuffs at home. No problem. My daughter.
Ma?
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I was actually coming to you.
Don't bother yourself. My daughter, I have good news for you.
Good news? Mama, what is the good news?
The man you treated yesterday.
Okay.
Iche Obika.
Yes, Mama.
Iche Obika is well.
Is you? How?
Yeah. Miracle. Iche Obika is well.
Mama, that is a good news.
Yes, that is to show that your hands are blessed.
Thank you so much, Mama. Mama, we made something. Come, let me serve you food.
What is that?
Yam porridge, Mama.
Jidofo.
Who am I saying?
Jidofo.
Obika.
Jidofo.
Obika.
It is me.
Obika.
Jidofo.
Wait. Obika.
Yeah.
Ha! Obika. I heard you came to my house. But unfortunately, I was not around.
Yes.
I have gone to the next village.
Yes, I came, and so I was told that you were not around.
Obika! Hey, wait! Your leg!
So,
That poison has gone! Obika!
exactly why I came to see you. To tell you about my leg. But unfortunately, you were not always at home. But you can see.
Obika!
It's all
Thank the gods! They have answered our prayers.
Yes.
You are strong and mighty. Obika! So you can move this one. Obika! You know what? Now I've seen you.
Yes.
I will change the movement.
Okay.
Let's go and drink palm wine. And eat well-prepared bushmeat. You know, while you were down, you found it very difficult to eat. But now you're okay. Obika.
Jidofo.
Yes.
Jidofo. You know, you are my very good friend. And I will not tell you that I will not follow you. You see, when sickness makes a man to be down, nothing gets sweet in his mouth.
That is true.
Everything will turn bitter.
Obika.
But this one, we will go, eat and drink.
You see this side?
Look at my leg.
Look at Obika! Let's go and eat. Well prepared.
Yes, we will eat it.
Obika! Obika!
Mama? Mama? Are you okay?
No. I'm not okay.
What is wrong with you, Mama?
Something is wrong with me.
Mama, did you take any herbs?
I barely stand. I can barely stand. Mommy, no, go.
Mama, don't worry. Nothing will happen to you. I will make some herbs for you right now. Okay?
Actually, my brother said I should deliver this bushmeat to Adobe.
He asked you to give this bushmeat to my sister Adobe.
Yes, Adobe.
And not me.
Not you.
Do you know my name?
No.
Achala asked you to deliver this bushmeat to my sister Adobe.
Yes, to Adobe.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Come. Tell him the bushmeat was well received.
Okay.
Come. And tell him he got to the right hands. And he'll hear from me.
Oh.
So I shall have sent this Anofia for my sister Adobe. The gods are wise. So,
can I rest now? To rest.
Just stay in my arms. Okay, you will be fine.
Yeah. When you lie down so that you can attend to people.
No, Mama, just stay here.
I don't want you to keep them waiting.
No, don't worry. When they come, I will look for something to do, okay? Just stay here.
Sorry.
Sorry. Indo.
Sorry.
Greetings, Dr. Ofunongene.
Greetings.
I want to know if I'm on the right track with my chi.
Okay. Yes, you are on the right path. 3 men will come to ask for your hand in marriage. The 3rd one is your husband. He may not look rich, but you are the key to his success. When he comes, say yes to him. Accept him as your husband, and you will be the happiest woman on earth.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? So Achala in his mind we think I'll give this bushmeat to Adobe. He's a very useless man. Me, the Ada of the house. They will bring meat. I'll give it to my younger sister. May be God for me.
Hey! My friend, look why? You're enjoying alone. Hey, my friend, don't be stingy.
Why didn't you inform me you were coming to visit me?
Must I inform you? Are you not my best friend? I can visit you anytime. Just
go and bring water for me to drink.
From where?
From inside.
Don't worry. After the wait now. Do you
know where it's coming from?
I don't care.
What is exposing in it?
I don't care. I will die with you.
You want to die?
I'm ready to die with you.
Don't worry. Let's go.
You must wait now. Don't be stingy. That's this part.
Yeah, give it to me.
Stop, Chenu. Give me. Just wait.
Mama, what is this? I have done everything I'm supposed to do. I've given you all the helps, but you're not responding to treatment. Mama, tell me. Is there more to this? Is this something you're not telling me?
My daughter, If the sickness stays, that means it is time to join my ancestors.
May the gods forbid. Mama, please, do not say that again. I beg you in the name of the gods, don't say it. Please.
If there is their time, no one can stop them. No one can change it.
Mama, I don't know what is going on. This is different. But you're always sick and you get better. What is going on now? Why are you not getting any better?
Yes. Yes. This is the only time that the house has failed me. I am happy that you've learned a lot here.
Mama, please, don't say this to me. I don't like what you're saying. Do not worry. You will get better. Okay? I will do my best to make sure of that. Alright?
Don't worry. If I am no more, whenever you get confused, the girls will direct you on what to do.
Mama, it's okay. Please stop talking. Stop talking. You need to get some rest. Mama, are you okay?
Adobe.
Mama is not. She's not well. I came to get something.
Give her herbs. She's going to be fine.
Adobe, I've given her everything. But she's not responding to treatment.
Let her leave the shrine. She's going to be fine. Maybe stress.
I don't know what is wrong with you. I'm trying to tell you something.
Let her leave the shrine. She's stressed. Let her come to the hut. She'll feel better. Every time, shrine. I'm looking for what to spoil my
Back to the shrine.
Yeah, I cooked bushmeat. Or will you want to eat? Adobe! Slowly, oh! Ha! Because if you break your leg now, no medicine for you. I don't know how to prepare herbs. Like, go and break your leg.
Mama, I brought it.
My daughter,
Mama.
Sit down. You have mastered the things of this shrine. And I can see that the gods are helping you. As I prepare to leave, I will give you all I have, spiritually and physically.
Please, you have to stop saying this. Please, I beg you. Don't say this, please.
My child, it's better to speak than to go without a word.
Mama, what is it?
Myself.
Here.
My daughter, take this. The gods will be with you. Who blesses you shall be blessed. Who curses you shall face the gods. Take this. Men and women, we come for your help. And you will not disappoint them. I will be with you. Please, I want you to make me proud.
Mama, please. Please, you can't say this to me. You know you cannot leave me, Mama, please. Please stop saying this. You are not going anywhere.
I love you, my daughter. I love you, my child. Tell your sister that I love her too. The gods will be with you. Take care of everything. Whenever you are confused, they will come to direct you.
Mama. 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 if this is a joke, you have to stop. Mama, please. Mama, don't leave me. No! Mama! Mama, please. You're gonna leave me in this, Mama.
It's okay. It's okay. Your mother was a good woman and everybody knows that, right? But the gods are wise. It's okay.
Please. I know you're heartbroken. Take heart. The gods of the land will comfort you.
You say...
What am I supposed to do with What am I supposed to do without my mother? What?
No.
It's okay. It's okay. At least you know the things of the shrine. As she's not available, you can do it. See, let me tell you. This is your chance to show the people of this land that you're capable. At least she didn't die too young. The gods understand. We too should understand.
It's okay. Don't listen to your sister. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm here for you. It's fine.
I remember everything. I'm sorry. So you see, it is not entirely your fault. You have to wipe your tears. What matters right now is that we'll stop her before it's too late. Stay here for now. I need to be sure that you're safe out there.
Adanya go onye ọbụla n'ọsọ na nwe ọsọ o merụ gị ihe ibugbu onwe gị n'ụgwọ ọ bụrụ na ị kwụrụ ọchọ ịbala ọchọ ogbu gị ọsọ.
Listen, good people of our kingdom. This is an order from the king and the elders of our land. From today henceforth, no one is allowed to visit Adani. And from today henceforth, Adani is hereby banished from all our kingdom activities until her banishment is being lifted. Listen, good people of our kingdom. This is an order from the king and the elders of our land. From today henceforth, no one is allowed to associate with her until her banishment is being lifted.
Listen, see. If you look at me that way, one country. It's just because I have a good heart. That's why I'm not talking. Because I am seeing you like in chi. Idiot! You see? See, he said I should send you away to know where you will not communicate with anybody. Nobody will see you. You will see anybody. No food, nothing. I cannot. You can't cheat. Tell me again now. No, tell me.
Zuna, what do you want?
I don't want anything.
I can't give it to you.
Look at this. You don't look out. I don't know what you were telling me. I'm the most beautiful Kawaka now. Uzi. Nala. I'm going to Etiko. Come. See, what I have here is gone. It's gone. Hey, I have killed mother. I have killed Ene. I have killed Nji. Why can't you at once? Don't try me. See, I'm a good man. I am a good man. I will kill you here. And then I'll go back to the community and tell them I have sent you away. Don't push me. My patience is running out. You think you can love me? You think you can force me to? See, I can decide to. After that, I'll push you. Come, move it. I can just bend you that pen. They will mount you like a net. Won't guard you well. They still push you. Let me just give you the privilege of watching. Just look at your community for the last time. Move it. Now, boss. Move it. Good. Hey. This is the end of the road for me. Continue. Hey. Listen. It is end of the road for me. Just go to anywhere where nobody from this kingdom will see you. You will not see them. No food for you, no water, no friend, no nothing. Let me see where you cannot become that priestess. Just go there and do your own priestess. Idiot. Okawo.
It's my destiny, yeah.
You're here.
Priestess of Light, I greet you.
I greet you too.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
I brought something sweet for you.
Palm wine?
Yes. I know I have seen you, enjoying it before. So I decided to get it for you.
You finally remember that I love palm wine.
Of course, I can't forget.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Adobe, I actually came to see you to know how you're doing after your sister's banishment. I know it hasn't been easy.
It hasn't, Tachawa. It hasn't been easy. But peace is returning slowly. The land is safe now. I am happy.
I am happy you are happy. And I know the gods will always be with you.
I see. Sit down, let's drink together.
Thank you.
Ogamosina kalaka, ebube mo sinachio. Abiara mi bungazi diri mmadụ niile. Onye ukwu na onye nta adịghị m eme nkewa. Ọ bụghị n'ike aka m, I was chosen by the gods. Ọ bụghị n'okwu ọnụ m, it's my destiny, yeah.
Osinachi, Ike Mosinachi,
Ejiri ike mụ wae.
Osinachi, Ike Mosinachi.
Ay, 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 ay. Chimo.
Ike mo sinachi.
Anaye muwa nike. Anaye muwa gidi 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 yo. Obi umala yakamu jaga. Ebere nike yakam jiaroru. Wande mu gotakwa n'oburo mu neme ya. Biko gotakwa ike mu sinachi yo.
Sinachi. Ike mo sinachi.
Ike mu sinachi.